Cars are a popular amusement park where guests drive small electric cars in an assigned area and intentionally crash into each other. While they provide riders of all ages with an exciting and engaging experience, there are unavoidable risks associated with this sport. Most of these risks are brought on by rail crashes, which may lead to minor injuries like scratches, bruises, and whiplashes. Furthermore, reckless driving or aggressive driving may result in an increased rate in collision and more severe injuries. Even though bumper cars are fun as a recreational activity, participants should take caution and follow safety laws to avoid any risks that may occur.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Norafidah, and today I'll be presenting about the overview of our equipment, which is bumper car. Bumper cars are multiple small electrically powered cars that draw power from batteries and also sometimes from the floor or the ceiling. And these cars are remotely controlled, turned on and turned off by an operator. These cars typically designed to accommodate one or two riders, and the car bodies are made of durable materials such as fiberglass and also rubber. And for the bumper car arena, it has floor or ceiling grid that composed of conductive metal strips or wires to give power to the car so that it can move. And inside the car, there is simple control panel or joystick. So we can use that joystick to control the movement of the car. And mostly, bumper cars will be equipped with safety belts or harnesses for safety. And usually the bumper cars takes place in a designated arena or ring that is surrounded by a low wall or barrier. And every arena will be equipped with a ride operator that will supervise the operation. And to make it more attractive, features like colorful lighting effects and also sound systems are also there in the bumper cars arena.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kamilia and I'm going to present about the HIRAC process. So first thing first, what is HIRAC? HIRAC stands for Hazard Identification, Risk Assessment and Risk Control, and it is a systematic approach used in safety management to ensure the safety of individuals and the environment in various settings. HIRAC forms are documents or records used to systematically document the hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control processes. They help organizations keep track of safety measures and ensure that appropriate actions are taken to address safety concerns. By following the HIRAC process and using HIRAC forms, organizations can create a safer work environment and reduce the likelihood of accidents and injuries. Here's a simple explanation of what each component means. First is hazard identification. This is the first step in the HIRAC process. It involves identifying and listing potential hazards or dangerous situations in a workplace or environment. Hazards can be physical, biological, ergonomic, or psychosocial. Second is risk assessment. Once hazards are identified, the next step is to assess the risks associated with each hazard. This involves evaluating the likelihood of an incident occurring and the severity of the potential harm it could cause. Risk assessment often uses a scoring system to prioritize hazards and determine which ones require immediate attention. Last one is risk control. After assessing the risk, measures are put in place to control and mitigate this risk. Risk control strategies can include implementing safety procedures, using personal protective equipment, modifying process, or providing training to employees. The goal is to reduce the likelihood of incidents and minimize their potential impact.
Hi, my name is Siti and Sofea, and today I'll be talking about hazard identification. There are 4 types of hazard identification. First is mechanical failure. Mechanical failure are malfunctions of bumper car that might occur during the rides. It poses as a hazard for the customers, and the examples are a broken steering wheel. Next is electrical failures. Electrical failures refers to the electrical system that might experience failure, and it can stem from various causes. Examples are loose or damaged wiring that can cause electrical fires.
My name is Athirah, so I will continue on the third hazard identification. Maintenance hazards in bumper cars can pose significant risks if not addressed promptly. One notable example of such a hazard is the risk of mechanical failures in the vehicle's propulsion system. Over time, wear and tear on crucial components like motors and gears can lead to unexpected breakdowns. For instance, if routine maintenance checks are not performed, a worn-out motor could suddenly malfunction while a bumper car is in use, potentially causing an abrupt stop or erratic movements that might result in rider injuries. It's important for operators to implement a maintenance schedule, regularly inspect all mechanical components, and promptly replace or repair any worn or damaged parts to prevent such incidents and ensure the safety of all riders. The next one is bumper car entanglement hazards. Bumper car entanglement hazards refer to potential safety risks that occur while operating or riding in bumper cars at amusement park or carnivals. These hazards typically involve riders or their clothing getting caught, tangled, or entangled in the moving parts of the bumper cars. This can lead to injuries if not properly addressed. Parks and ride operators should take safety precautions to prevent these hazards, such as enforcing ride rules, ensuring proper maintenance, and providing a clear safety instruction to riders.
Hi, my name is Muhamad and Irfan bin Muhammad Nizam. So today I'm going to share with you about the risk assessment example. So here we got two example of risk assessment. So for the first one is we got falling for the hazard, and the second one is we got collision with other object. So basically for the falling one, we also describe the who can be harmed and how can harm be happen for the certain hazard such as a falling. So we are also able to take the action taken. So basically the action taken by the safety manager who jot down this kind of the problem or incidents to make sure the this accident will not be happen in future. So we also have further action required so that from time to time the safety manager can revise back what is the best thing to make sure this accident will not be happen and will not be harm any kind of person or any object or any um, life things. And for the second one, we got collision with other objects. So basically, we have a description for this um, point, which is collision with the other objects. Um, we also have an action taken to make sure this um, incident will not be happen again. And the last one, we got also the further action required to make sure this problem will not be happen, and by time to time we believe that this the company or the safety manager can take um, a lesson from what they have gained from the past. So that's all for me. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Hazzratull and I will present about risk control. So first is safety barriers. The risk is the collisions that cause injuries between bumper cars, and how to control is to install shock absorbing bumpers and to maintain a safe distance between cars. The next one is vehicle maintenance. The risk is mechanical failures that lead to accidents, and how to control is to have a regular maintenance and inspection of bumper cars to ensure that they are all in a good condition to use. And the last one is operator training. The risk is inadequate control of the bumper cars by operator, sorry. And way to control is the trainer to have proper training on how to manage the ride, including emergency shut off procedure. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Zachary and I'll be presenting about opportunities. Opportunities for enhancing the health, safety and environment aspects of the bumper car attraction are significant. First, the introduction of interactive safety videos can greatly improve safety awareness among visitors by creating engaging videos that explain safety rules and precautions. Visitors can be well informed before enjoying the ride. Additionally, regular safety demonstrations can be conducted throughout the day to ensure that both new and returning visitors are consistently aware of safety guidelines. These live demonstrations offer a hands-on approach to safety education. Furthermore, implementing a feedback system is crucial for HSE improvement, allowing visitors to anonymously report safety concerns or provide suggestions for enhancement foster a culture of continuous improvement and ensures that any safety issues are properly addressed. These strategies not only enhance safety but also contribute to an overall positive visitor experience at the bumper car attraction.
Hi everyone, my name is Sofea Dayana and I'm going to present about the control measures. First is ways to control mechanical failure. This includes regular inspection, where mechanical elements like the brakes, steering, electrical connections, and also the bumpers should be inspected regularly. Next, each bumper car needs to be equipped with safety features and emergency shutdown systems to prevent accident and minimize mechanical failures. The third measure is, staff must ensure that riders receive clear instructions on how to operate the bumper car safely before they start their ride. Next is ways to control electrical failure. First is to use a strong grounding and bonding system all the way through the bumper car ride to help dissipate electrical charges and reduce the risk of electrical failures and shocks. Then, electrician must use high-quality insulated wiring for all electrical connections in the bumper cars to prevent short circuits and electrical failures. Lastly, circuit breakers should be installed in the bumper cars and the ride's control systems to trip and cut off power in the case of an electrical overload or short circuit. Moving on, we're going to take a look at the ways to control maintenance hazard. First, a maintenance schedule needs to be established alongside with comprehensive checks of the mechanical components. Then, the staff should conduct daily pre-ride checks to ensure that the bumper cars are working properly before allowing riders on. The last one is ways to control entanglement hazard. The most important thing is to ensure that the bumper cars are equipped with functioning seatbelts and riders should be taught to use them properly. Moreover, the management team should implement policies that require riders to secure long hair, tuck in loose clothing, and remove any accessories. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Raimi Athirah and I will continue with monitor and review. I'll be reviewing two incidents that happened with bumper car. So in 2005, there was a ride called Rolly Dodge at Great America Park, Santa Clara. There was a mother riding with her 9-year-old son who was driving the bumper car when they were hit by another bumper car from front and behind, and the car got stuck in the middle, and the mother sought to brace herself on the car's dashboard and her wrist got broke. The park owner stated that the park had no control over the steering and operation of the individual bumper cars. Another incident happened in 2018 where a ride called Dogham's Ride at Carowinds Park, California. This incident took place at the Carowinds Amusement Park on June 4th when the double-seater bumper car vehicle at the Dogham's Ride caught on fire. A representative from the park said that the last passenger to ride the bumper car had left the vehicle before the blaze began. The ride attendant quickly extinguished the flames and no one was injured, and the ride has been inspected and has resumed the normal operations at the amusement park.
So coming into conclusion, bumper cars provide a fun and exciting experience for those who attend a theme park. But there are some risks that comes with it. Bumper cars accidents that results in minor incidents like whiplashes, bruisings, give the biggest threat, but they can also result in more serious injuries if safety precautions are not taken. To lessen the risks, operators should implement strict safety standards which provide passengers with clear instructions and ensure that bumper cars are regularly inspected from time to time for the customer safety. Bumper car attractions can also be made safer by incorporating safety belts, soft bumpers and speed limits, which will allow guests to enjoy thrills without running the risk of getting hurt. So that is for me. Thank you.